video I am going to tell you about what causes of premature ejaculation. Well, if you did not subscribe this channel yet, then please hit the subscribe button and subscribe. Premature ejaculation is the inability to delay ejaculation for more than 1 minute after pregnancy. The problem might occur in all sexual situations, even during masturbation. Premature ejaculation can be classified as primary. Lifelong premature ejaculation occurs all or nearly all of the time during the first second encounters. Secondary. Acquired premature ejaculation develops after you have had previous sexual experience without ejaculatory problems. Many men feel that they have symptoms of premature ejaculation, but the symptoms don't meet the diagnostic criteria for premature ejaculation. Causes. The exact causes of premature ejaculation is not known, but it was once thought to be only psychological. Doctors now know premature ejaculation involves a complex interaction of psychological and biological factors. Psychological causes. Psychological causes that might play a role include early sexual experiences, sexual abuse, poor body image, depression, worrying about premature ejaculation, guilty feelings. Other factors that can play a role include erectile dysfunction, anxiety, relationship problems. Biological causes. A number of biological factors might contribute to premature ejaculation, including abnormal hormone levels, abnormal levels of brain chemical called neurotransmitters, inflammation and infections of the prostate or urethra, inherited traits, risk factors. Various factors can increase your risk of premature ejaculation, including erectile dysfunction, stress, complications. Premature ejaculations can cause problems in your personal life, including a common complication of premature ejaculation is relationship stress. Premature ejaculation can occasionally make fertilization difficult for couples who are trying to have a baby if ejaculation does not occur intravaginally. For more videos, please subscribe to Update for Help. If you like this video, please like, share, and thanks for watching.